In this video, I will show you on how to free up space on your mobile phone if you are running out of storage space. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you clear all cache file on your phone. And how you can do that, you can easily do that for every app that you always use most times. And for you to do that, what we need to do is to click and hold down on a particular app. I'm going to click and hold down this. Then I will go to app info. So simply click on app info right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to storage and cache. Then here, you will be given the storage space of a particular app and the cache file that you have been generated so far as a result of using the app. What you need to do is to click on clear cache, and the cache file is going to be deleted. You can do this for all apps you have on your phone. After you have done all this, exit from the app. Then the next thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to click on here, click on my Play Store. Then from my Play Store right here, I'll tap on my profile icon. The next thing I'm going to do is to go to Manage Apps and Devices. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on Manage. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on this device. And I'm going to simply click on Not Installed. That's going to take us right here. Here, this is where you see some of the apps you have been deleting so far from your phone. But surprisingly, some of the apps that you delete on your phone, you have not completely deleted their file from your phone system. And as a result of that, they are still occupied some storage space on your phone. And what you need to do right here is to make sure you delete them permanently from this particular point right here. So here, what you need to do is to click on the app. You can select as many as possible apps right here and review them. So you can see I select just 3 apps right here and I will save about 56 megabytes. What you need to do after you have selected all the apps that you want to simply delete, click on this icon right here. I'm going to click on it. Remove selected app. Won't appear here but can be installed again from the Play Store. Simply click on remove. And you'll save a lot of storage space right here. And generally, you save a lot of storage space on your phone. Lastly, we can exit from my Play Store right here and head over to the General Media File Manager on your phone. Then simply come to the top right here, type File Manager right here. I'm going to click on that file. Now I have File Manager right here. Click on this one right here. Then click on Browse. So you have all File Manager right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Use Storage right here. Click on that. Then here you have all the media files you have on your phone, such as images, documents, videos, audio, APK file, other, and system file. If you scroll down right here, you see some of your recently deleted files, large files, old file, and junk file. These are all files that you need to review and delete some of unnecessary files from this section right here in order to free up more storage space on your Android phone. Let's say, for instance, we want to have some of the images deleted. Click on the images right here. Then we take you right here where you have all your images. You can select as many as possible images right here. Select this and select this. Having selected all the images you want to delete, you can see I select just 2 images right here and I will save about 18.85 megabytes free up. Click on delete and click on delete right here. But one more thing here is that as soon as you are deleting anything from the media file right here, that does not mean that the file has been completely deleted. So what you need to do is to simply go back and here, scroll down right here and go to recently deleted. So you have all your recently deleted file right here. You can review and see if you want to delete everything right here. If you want to delete everything right here, click on delete all. Right here, I have about 780 items and I will save about 16.33 gig of space right here. Once you click on delete, Remember, whatever you delete from here, you cannot get it back. Make sure that all the files you selected right here are the file that you no longer wanted on your phone in order to free up more storage space. Click on delete and everything will be deleted and your phone will have more storage space. It's that simple. This is how to free up more storage space on your mobile. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.